This is what a new kind of war looks like. On the left, a Russian satellite intelligence facility transmitting encrypted.
The USS Abraham Lincoln Carrier Strike Group costs $6.5 million per day to operate. The Russians...
Here is the question every outlet, but none answered at technical depth. Publicly maintains it. But what you are about to learn was buried across 5 separate intelligence reports, 3 leaked defense documents, and 2.
Hayam satellite, Russian-built, 1.2-meter resolution. Individual aircraft visible from orbit. The technical chain from Russian satellite to Iranian missile has 7 steps. The satellite passes over the target area.
Carrier, $13.5 billion. Anti-ship missile, $2 million. Targeting coordinates, free.
The Wall Street Journal confirmed the exchange mechanism. Iran supplied Russia with thousands of Shahed loitering munitions.
Stop. One person. A U.S. Navy sailor on night watch on a guided missile destroyer in the Persian Gulf.
1982, Exocet needed aircraft to find ships first. 2026, satellite.
Here is the broken part. The entire operational doctrine of U.S. carrier strike groups is built on one foundational assumption. Here is the mystery the open source data has not resolved.
US gave Ukraine targeting intelligence against Russia. Russia now gives.
Return to scene 1. Russian satellite, Iranian missile battery, U.S. carrier coordinates. The first domino. Al Jazeera confirmed China supplied Iran with the YLC-8.
The second domino. Reuters confirmed Iran is nearing a deal to acquire 50 CM-302.
The third domino, and every analyst missed this. The United States relies heavily on GPS jamming as a countermeasure against adversary missile guidance.
Gap 1. Iran cannot independently track a carrier's real-time position filled by Russian satellite intelligence sharing.
Stop. Flip the perspective completely. We have been watching this from the American side. Now,
The 3 dominoes are not additive, they are multiplicative. Russian targeting coordinates alone are dangerous but counter. 3 parties: Iran, Russia, North Korea. 3 separate news stories. The hidden act nobody is connecting to the Russia-Iran intelligence.
Here it is. Real-time US warship coordinates do not...
The Scene 25 revelation produces 3 immediate implications. 1. China's contribution to Iran's capability stack is not driven by friendship with Taiwan. It is driven by...
The structural cause is a policy decision. In 2018, the United States withdrew from the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action, the nuclear agreement with Iran.
But here is what the pattern shows. The Mi-28 attack helicopters were considered impossible to transfer. They were denied, then confirmed by imagery.
Here is the number nobody assembled from the leaked documents. The Su-35 contract, customer code 364 in
5 nations outside the US, Russia, China, Iran quadrilateral who have no vote in this conflict. Japan, Korea, Germany, Turkey, Israel.
All of it. 5 non-combatant nations. A Russian third bill. This is 6 Vespa secret story docking the same strategic. Scenario A, intelligence sharing stays at current level. Scenario B.
3 pieces of evidence that Scenario B is not approaching, it has starred. The exit from Scenario B, before it becomes Scenario C, is a deal that both sides know exists, and neither can
Return to Scene 1. Russian facility. Encrypted transmission. Iranian targeting screen. Images carried.
Here is the final detail. The Qayyam satellite, ostensibly operated by Iran, was designed and built by
The single most important sentence from this entire video. Russia is not providing Iran with targeting intelligence because it wants Iran to win this war.
Assembly Secret's prediction on record March 16, 2026. Within 30 days, the United States and Russia will begin back-channel negotiations on a mutual intelligence cessation.
Three things Assembly Secrets does not yet know. Whether Iskander ballistic missiles are physically confirmed in Iran. 4 signals to watch in the next 24 hours. First, any
sailor from scene 10.
Argentines, if the United States, sharing targeting intelligence with Ukraine, created the doctrine that Russia is now applying against U.S. carriers in the Gulf.
This video described the Russia-China Russian probabilities, Russian Tatanis, featuring Frighty LiDAR. Here is the conclusion that follows from everything in this video that no official or analyst will state publicly. Russia controls what Iran sees from the Qayyam satellite.
If the playbook holds, Russia's next move in this intelligence war is a high-profile demonstration strike, not targeting a carrier.
That is where this war actually is. Not in the skies over Tehran, not in the Strait of Hormuz, in the 90-minute...
This video documents the intelligence layer that constrains U.S. naval operations. The munitions crisis video documents how U.S.